In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to order pants in American Eagle 2026. First, head to the American Eagle website. When the homepage loads, you'll see the main navigation across the top. Take a moment to get familiar with it. That's where you'll find everything you need. Hover over or click the jeans section to open up the denim and bottoms area. From here, choose a category that fits your style. As an example, let's start by opening baggy and wide leg jeans just to get into the broader bottom section. On the left-hand sidebar, you'll notice filters and subcategories. This panel is super helpful for narrowing down what you want. In that sidebar, switch from jeans to pants to focus on non-denim styles. Then select baggy and wide leg pants to see the latest wide leg options. Now browse the collection. Scroll through until something catches your eye. When you find a pair you like, click the product photo to open the detailed page. Use the image viewer to zoom in and out so you can check fabric texture, stitching, pockets, and any special details. Look through the gallery for front, back, and lifestyle photos to get a better sense of how the pants fit. Next, review the price near the top of the page. If there is a promotion, it will usually appear here as well. Choose your preferred color. Selecting a swatch will update the images so you can see exactly what that shade looks like. Before you commit, scan the reviews. They're a great way to understand fit, fabric feel, and whether the pants run true to size. Now, focus on size. This is the most important part. Pick your size from the options shown. If you're unsure, scroll down to find detailed size information or a size guide link. Compare your measurements to the chart and check any fit notes. If a size is grayed out, it's currently unavailable. Consider another color or check back later. Set your quantity next. Usually it defaults to 1, but adjust it if you're ordering more. Then review the details section below the product info. This is where you'll find fabric composition, care instructions, rise and leg opening measurements, and other key specs that affect comfort and durability. Once you're confident in your selection, price, color, size, quantity, and details, go ahead and add it to your bag by clicking Add to Bag. You should see a confirmation that the item was added successfully. That's it for choosing and adding your pants. You're now ready to continue shopping or view your bag when you're finished.